Did you know that the cracking sound you hear when you move your joints isn't your bones grinding together? It's actually a fascinating phenomenon called cavitation. Inside your joints, there's a lubricant called synovial fluid that reduces friction. When you stretch or bend a joint, the pressure drops, causing tiny gas bubbles, mostly nitrogen and carbon dioxide, to form. When those bubbles burst, you get that familiar cracking sound. It's usually harmless and not a sign of injury or arthritis. But if you experience pain or swelling along with the cracking, it's a good idea to consult a medical professional.